Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a tofu stew. And this is actually, if you don't know, if you have a lot of leftovers, veggie and stuff inside your fridge, this is actually one dish that you can use it to utilize all your leftovers. And that's exactly what I want to do today. Of course, I have half of Chinese cabbage here. Then we will have some tofu. I have some tofu. I have some pork belly cut into slices. I have this is some minced garlic and also ginger. This is you can use 5 spice powder. I'm using 13 spice. You can get it from Shopee online or Lazada. And I'll be using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder to make a chicken stock in 2 seconds. I'll show you very quickly later. I will be also putting in some fuzu. I have some fried fuzu here, hot pot fuzu. And also this is glass noodle. I actually soak it under hot water for a couple of minutes. So let me quickly show you how I make my chicken stock. So just prepare 1 bowl of hot water. Take about 1 teaspoon of my chicken stock powder and done. 2 seconds, you have a very aromatic chicken stock. We recommend every 300 ml use about 1 teaspoon. Yeah, and you can get it from Shopee, Malaysia, and Singapore. So let's start by putting a little bit of oil inside, and we are going to saute and render the pork fat out from the pork belly. We're going to saute this for a couple of minutes before we continue. So this is after about 2-3 minutes. You start seeing the pork started to get a bit brownish and char. So you also get some pork fat here, right? This is the time where you can put in the ginger and garlic. If you use roast pork, ooh, it's going to taste even better. But of course, if you don't have roast pork, use pork belly. You want the fat. It is the fat that's going to do the wonders to your dish, and this particular dish especially. You're going to put in the veggie. I'm using half of my Chinese cabbage here. Of course, it depends on up to you how much you want to put. And every Chinese cabbage is different sizes. Mine is relatively average, medium size. Next thing, I'm going to put in the chicken stock. Right. And we are going to give it some seasoning right now. My 13 spice powder. You really must try the 13 spice powder. Seriously, very, very nice. A lot more fragrant than normal 5 spice. 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. A bit of Shaoxing wine. If you don't take alcohol, just omit the wine. No need to find a replacement. And I'm going to give it a little bit of my Vietnamese premium fish sauce. All the ingredients I use, I will put it inside the video description. Yeah. A little bit of salt. A little bit of sugar. Let me add in a bit of oyster sauce. So this is oyster sauce. Approximately 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to put in the tofu. Tune down to medium-low heat and let it simmer for probably about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes before we continue. This is after about 2 minutes. I'm adding in the dong fen. My dong fen, the glass noodle already soaked under hot water for a couple of minutes. So it's already like 60% cooked, yeah? So I'll just give it another few minutes, then it is done. Of course, we still have some fried fuzu. The fried fuzu I'm using is the hot pot style. So that one can be cooked like 10 seconds. This is after another about 4-5 minutes. Everything should be fully cooked by now. I'm going to put in the fuzu. So once the fuzu is softened, then it is done. So here's the tofu stew. You garnish it with some spring onion on top. Done. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.